Paying your rent through Interac using Zumrails on our platform is a simple and seamless process. Follow these steps to complete your payment. First step is to sign in into the platform. Once you log into your tenant account, you will be able to see your upcoming and due payments will be displayed on the dashboard. Click on Pay Now and select the Zumrails Interac payment option. If your property manager has chosen Zumrails Interac as default payment, you will not need to choose the payment method. A notification will confirm that an Interac payment request has been created. Within a few minutes, you will receive an Interac e-transfer request from your property manager's business to your email. The email will clearly display the exact rent amount, payment ID and due date. Click Approve or select Financial Institution in the email. Choose your financial institution from the list provided. Log into your online banking to complete the transaction. Once completed, your payment will be processed, and your rent will be marked as paid. It's that easy.